Hey folks, Randy Go, Trout Magnet Man with you here today. It's a Sunday before Memorial Day, and I'm down here at Laurel Hill Lake. Gonna try to catch some bluegill. I'm gonna be bed picking. The spawn is over, the first big spawn. There may be another spawn coming up in a little while. Don't know, not sure about it. But we're gonna see what we can get into. Got two rods with me. Got the Fine-tail Banshee 5'9" extra ultralight today, and brought the slow taper special. Got it rigged up with a Neokis 3-gram spinner. Might do some search bait. I want to get a different feel. Most time bluegill will knock the fire out of that spinner, and that's just a great feel when you hear that feel that big hit. It's just a lot of fun. So anyway, folks, come on with me and let's see what we can get down here and see can we catch some fish. Here we go, folks. Here we go. Having trouble with this wind. Put that bow in the line, you can't. What we got here? Oh, nice bluegill. Shoot fire, what you talking about? Look here, folks. Look here at this bluegill. Yes, sir, and I'll take these all day now. You darn right I will. That's a nice bluegill there. He's starting to get a helmet head. All right, let's get him back in the water. That water right there. So there's beds right on up through here. So we're going to go down through here. Folks, hope you can see them beds there. There's a few fish on that bed. It's got about 10, 11, 12 fish. We're going to try to catch them off there. See what we can do. Going to have to reorient the boat here to get these fish. I hope you're picking that up. We're down here just bed picking today. That's about all we can do. We're gonna see how it works out. This wind makes it tough. I'm telling you, when you're fishing this kind of wind, the ultralight angler, it just gets tough. That's all it is to it. Try to get here where I'm casting into the wind. Maybe a little bit further up here. Oh yeah, there's beds. There's beds over right there. There's plenty of beds here. That's a fact. We ought to catch something here today. That gum ought to catch something. That's a fact. All right. Here. You know. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Good fish here. Of course, on the 5'9" extra ultralight, they're all good fish. They're all good fish. This is a good fish. Shoot fire. Look here at this thing. Yes, sir. Nice bluegill. Nice bluegill. All right. Here we go. Got him. Stuck him. This wind, when it starts gusting, folks, makes it rough on an ultralight angler. This is a good fish here. Shoot fire. What you talking about? I'll take these all day long. It's not the quality of the fish I was getting over Bedford Lake. But that's for the drive I've made. If that's all I catch today, I'll be very happy, folks. That's a solid 7.5-inch bluegill. Good weight, good girth. All right. I don't know. I don't have any way to know. Here we go. This wind, I said it before, but this wind is making it tough. Making it real tough. This fish giving me a good battle though. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, nice. Shoot fire. Now that's what I'd like to get into. A bunch of males like this. Yes sir, shoot fire. Yes sir. I'd love to get into a bunch of fish like that. All right. Here we go, folks. Hit him in the head that time. Good fish, too. Good fish. Yes, sir. All right. Real good fish. Shoot fire. I say good fish. Everything's good fish on this rod. All right, I see why it's a good fish. Yes, sir. Shell cracker. Oh, yeah. I'd like to get a bunch of them. I'd like to get into a bunch of them. All right, let's get him back in the water. This beautiful fish. All right. Pecking at this, lifting up, hitting it at all. Here we go. Here we go. Finally got one of them to hit, folks. It's tough. These fish on his bed, they're not wanting to hit. I think it's a good shell cracker here. I think that's what this is. And I don't know though. It's good fish, whatever he is. He's real good fish. Oh shoot! Would you look at this bluegill? I want you to look at this bluegill. Shoot fire! This is what I come down here for. This is what I come down here for today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now that's a quality fish right here, folks. That's a quality fish. That is a quality bluegill right there. There ain't no doubt about it. We're going to get a measurement on him. See what he is. That joker will officially go 9 inches, folks. 9 inches. That's what I'm looking for down here today. All right. There we go. Finally. This wind, you've heard me say it enough today. This wind's just killing the bite. I tell you what, these are good fish too. They are good fish. Yes, sir. Come on, get out of there. Well, there he goes. All right. Another solid 8.5 inch bluegill. Beautiful fish. All right. There's Tim. Here we go. Here we go. Tell you folks, it's just been a tough day fishing. Tough day fishing. Come on up in here. Come on up in here. Where are you at? Oh, shoot fire. Look at here. Look here, what a bluegill. Yes, sir. This is what you want right here. Yes, sir. All right. That's a gorgeous bluegill. I'm going to get a measurement on him. Just see what he is. Now, let me get him back down here. Back. Get him down. He's 8 inches. 8.25. 8.25 inch bluegill. Good girth. I'll take them all day like that. All right. Frustrating. Here we go. Here we go. Feel like a good fish, folks. I think it is. Let's see what we got here. Come on up in here. Oh yeah, it is a good shoot fire. What you talking about now? Yes, sir. Shoot fire. Good fish. Barely get your hand around this joker. All right. Oops. That's a nice bluegill. I'm gonna measure him. He's about 8 inches, but he's got the good genes, folks. Yeah, he's 8 1/4. He's 8 1/4. He's got the good genes. Shoot fire. I'll take him like that all day. It's been a tough day. I know I've said that 100 times, but it's been tough. Let's get him back in the water. Here we go. Here we go. Come on up in here. Yes, sir. Nice fish. All right. All right. Shoot fire. What you talking about? Yes, sir. Let me get that rod out of the way. That's a beautiful fish. That joker's got some good girth to him, folks. Yes, sir. All right, let's get him back in the water. Here we go. Ooh. Something like a shell cracker here. I believe it is a shell cracker. Yes, sir. It's a mixed, I believe. Let's see what we got here. Shoot fire. Look here, what a beautiful fish. He's peeing all over me. Got it. Oops. Let me get this fish. Well. Shell cracker. That's my blood, not his blood. He stuck me and he stuck me good. All right, let's get him back in the water. Ooh, he hit that good. Yes, sir, he hit that good. Come on up in here. Yes, sir. Shoot fire, I believe this is a good fish here, folks. Let's see, I ain't seen him yet. Oh yeah, shoot fire, what you talking about? Look here at this pie plate. Look here at this pie plate. Wow, 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 wow. Yes, sir, this is a good fish here. Look at that thing. Look at that bluegill. I'm gonna get a measurement on it and just see. I'll satisfy my curiosity. 8 inches. That joker is just barely, but I'll tell you what, now he's got the good girth. He's got weight. That is a gorgeous fish. Absolutely gorgeous fish, folks. All right, let's get him back in the water. Here we go. Ooh. What we got here? Come on back here. Come on out of here. Come on out of here. Come on out of here. What we got here, folks? I believe we got some good bluegill. I do believe that. Yes, sir. I do believe we got us a good bluegill here. Shoot fire. Yeah, this joker. Yeah, this good fish here. I say that about all of them, though, don't I, folks? He's a good fish. He's a real good fish. Yes, sir. Alright. That joker, that is a nice bluegill, folks. He ain't but 8 1/4 or something like that. But he's got the genes. That's what I come down here to catch. Alright, let's get him back in the water. Ooh, here we go. This one picked it up just as soon as I was about to take it out of the water. Shoot. Yes, sir. Nice bluegill. Shoot fire. Beautiful fish. Absolutely beautiful fish. Look at there, folks. That's a beautiful bluegill. Nice, solid 7 3/4. Can't talk here, folks. 7 3/4. That joker's good, though. Look how round that joker is. Let's get him back in the water. Here we go, here we go. Yes, sir. Nice bluegill. Shoot fire. Oh yeah, what you talking about? Tell you what, get some quality fish down here today now. Barely get my hand around this joker. Look here at that fish, folks. That's 8 inch, but that joker, that's quality. Now that's just quality bluegill right there. I'm gonna get a measurement on him, but I can tell you right now, he ain't 8 inches. He just go 8 inches. That's what I'm telling you. I tell you though, they're on a comeback down here. That's a fact. That's a beautiful fish. I don't care who you are. You'd catch them all day if you could. All right, let's get him back in the water. Here we go. Here we go, folks. See what we got here. He's digging. That joker's sure digging. Oh yeah, shoot fire. What you talking about? Look here at this thing. Look here at this thing. Wow, 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 wow. Another bluegill with the good genes, folks. Yes, sir. Good girth, 8 inches. Take them all day. Starting to get that helmet head. All right, let's get him back in the water. Folks, I'm gonna call it a day. It's been a pretty darn good day. It's been a tough day. It took me a long time to catch 80 bluegill. Long time. It took me 4 hours. It should have only taken me, in this 4 hours, I should have caught 160 bluegill. The beds in this hollow back here, they're still full of fish. But unfortunately, today's one of them days when them bluegill, when they get on bed, sometimes they just don't want to bite. I mean, I had some big beds back here with, 70, 80, 90 fish on them. Some beds with 20 fish on them, 30 fish. I mean, it was a lot of fish. It's very frustrating. And then the wind was really blowing when I first got here. It's kind of still blowing a little bit. But when you're fishing with 1 gram, 1.5 gram jig heads, and you get that bow in your line, you're gonna miss a ton of fish. And I missed a ton of fish, but it should have been biting a lot quicker. But they get like that when they get on the bed. Sometimes they just don't want to hit anything. But I stayed at it. 80 bluegill, some quality fish, a lot of fun, a whole lot of fun. Had a good time today. Been a while since I've been fishing. I've been out to Arkansas. I'll do a channel update about the trip to Arkansas and what's going to happen out there, if anything happens out there. But been a while since I've been fishing due to going out there, and the weather, the wind here is just blown. I'm talking about this past week is 25, 30 miles an hour darn near every day. And as an ultralight angler, that just does me in. I don't fish in that kind of wind. I can't. The way I fish, it's you know, I'm fishing with too light of stuff. You get that bow in your line, you're done for. I used several lures today. I tried the spoon, I tried a spinner, I tried a curly tail grub, I tried the new AGI metal, the new ones I got. They just didn't want to hit it. They didn't want to hit anything. They would hit a trout magnet, but boy, you had to throw it over and over and over and over. I wore my arm out, but it paid off. But shoot, should have been a lot easier than that. It sure should have. That's about the 3rd time this year when I've run up on bluegill like that in the beds where they just don't want to bite. But they get like that, and when they do, it can be a frustrating day. I've seen it where they won't. You wouldn't catch any of them beds when they get like that. But today turned out to be a pretty good day. Had the bison colored trout magnet, sow bug colored trout magnet on a 1.5 gram jig head. Switched to a number 2 gram to try to help me out in the wind, but it was getting too deep. I was only in 5 feet of water, maybe 6 feet at the deepest, and I was getting debris on it from the bottom. So you just kind of went back to the 1.5 gram, and I probably missed more fish using the 1.5 than I would have with the 2, but I got more bites on the 1.5 than I would have with the 2, so it worked out. But anyway, we're gonna get on out of here. Got a long drive to get back home. Gonna try to go down to Nickajack Tuesday. Tomorrow's Memorial Day, and I certainly don't want to be on the water on Memorial Day, I can tell you that. But I'm going to try to go Tuesday. It's supposed to be some beautiful weather down there. I'm going to try up in the lake, and I'm going to try below the dam. Hadn't fished below the dam down there in a long time. I'm going to see what I can get into. Appreciate the support of the channel, folks. Appreciate the comments. Appreciate you watching. Hope all of you are safe, healthy. Hope all of you are out fishing. I hope you're catching a ton of fish. Hope you're catching a bunch of fish. So until next time, soar lip 'em all, and life is good.